Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a co-host on Airbnb. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC and log into airbnb.com. Now, after logging into your Airbnb account using your user credentials, you'll be on the dashboard. So this is the today section of Airbnb. Here, we are going to click on the listings option at the top of the screen. Now, when you click on listings, all the listings you will have will be shown here. If you'll have multiple listings, you'll be on this page. If you have just one listing, you'll be on the listing editor page directly. Now, on this page, you'll have to make sure you are into your space and you'll have to scroll down on this section and navigate to co-hosts under the about the host section. So click on co-hosts button, add details. When you click on co-hosts, it will show up this page that says invite a co-host. Now you'll have to click on get started button just at the bottom. Now on this page, you'll have to enter the email of the co-host that you want to invite. So I'm going to enter the email of one of my friends. I will add the email and I will click on next. Now you'll have to set up your co-host's permissions. Whether you want the co-host to have full access, that will include edit calendar, message guests, manage damage requests, listings, and co-hosts. You can also choose whether you want your co-host's permission to be limited to calendar and messaging access or just calendar access. So I'm going to choose calendar and messaging access. Then I will click on next. Now you'll have to review your invite and click on send. After you do this, an invite will be sent to the co-host that you'll have entered. If they accept, Airbnb will let you know. So the person that you're sending this request or invitation to will have nearly 12 to 13 days to respond. Now you'll have to click on close, and under co-hosts, you will see yourself as the primary host and the invite that will be sent to the person will be shown here. You can click on it and it will show the option to cancel the invite or resend the invite. You can again invite a co-host by clicking on this invite a co-host button, entering their email and following the same process again. So that is a simple way to invite a co-host on your Airbnb. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.